Are you looking for the best smokers in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best smokers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Smoking aficionados will tell you that pellets are superior to charcoal. They're certainly less messy since you won't end up with black dust on your hands every time you touch them. The pellets are made from hardwood and burn cleanly while still providing the perfect wood-fired smoky flavor to foods. This pellet smoker has digital controls that are easy to use, an electric auto-start ignition, and an auger system that feeds pellets into the fire. So all you have to do is make sure the hopper is full and the grill will do the rest. This has 300 square inches of cooking space, so it's not huge, but it still has enough space for 12 perfect burgers or 2 whole chickens. If you need to store the smoker indoors, the legs fold flat for a more compact profile. Number 4. The Big Green Egg is the high-end charcoal smoker that people love to show off, and it is an amazing cooker. But this Acorn Kamado Cooker charcoal grill can't be overlooked. It has an excellent price point and a very similar performance to the pricier egg-shaped models. While many Kamado grills are still made from ceramic, this model's design relies on double-walled steel, which retains heat better while less air is drying out your meat. That excellent temperature control means you can grill at high heat or smoke without issue. Cast iron cooking grates are found in the 314 square inches of cooking space that can handle almost 24 burgers at once. As with any charcoal grill, there is a learning curve with these, but it's well worth the investment in time and money. Number 3. Just because this smoker is designed to be portable, that doesn't mean it's less capable. It even includes Wi-Fi control, so you don't need to hover near the smoker to monitor the cooking. This uses pellets as a heat source, so all you need to do is fill the hopper and let the grill do the rest. This smoker weighs 57 pounds, so it's sturdy but still liftable. The legs fold to make it more compact for storage, or to tuck it into the trunk or the back of a pickup for a tailgate party. It runs on standard house current when it's available, and it comes with 3 adapters so it can plug into your car for use on the road. Reviewers love that it doesn't draw on much power and that it's perfect for tailgating and camping, though some warn that one side of the heating surface gets hotter than the other. Number 2. This user-friendly smoker doesn't have dials or controls to worry about and works much like a familiar charcoal grill, so it can be a great introduction to smoking for people who just want something basic that does the job of making tasty barbecue. Heat and smoke are controlled by adjusting the vents, but the grill has another sneaky trick up its sleeve that impressed our product tester, a water pan that collects drips and keeps the interior humid for juicy results. This uses charcoal for the heat source and has 2 cooking grates, so you can fit plenty of food for the family or for a backyard party. A thermometer on the top lets you monitor the interior temperature, while a silicone plug in the side allows standard remote meat thermometers to slide through into the meat for perfect cooking every time. For additional versatility, this smoker can be configured to be used as a standard grill, as well. Number 1. When it comes to smokers, this one has everything you need for easy smoking at an affordable price. Since it's electric, there's no need to fuss with lighting charcoal, and the design is sleek, modern, and attractive. This smoker uses Bluetooth to connect to your smart device, so you don't have to keep track of a separate remote control, and when you're cooking, there's no need to leave your comfy lawn chair to check the temperature or turn the cooker on or off. The Master Bull smoker has 4 chrome-plated racks that can handle up to 16 chickens, 4 turkeys, or 8 racks of ribs. There's no need to open the door to load more wood chips during cooking, since they can be added from the side of the smoker. When you're done smoking and you want to crisp the chicken or finish ribs with sticky sauce, there's a broiling element that can handle that for you, so there's no need to fire up a separate grill or heat the oven to complete the cooking process. If smoking continues after dark, an interior light turns on when the door is open for easy visibility. While it's easy to use and delivers tasty results, this smoker can be finicky in cold weather, and its blue display screen is tough to reach in direct sunlight. If this smoker is a little larger than you need, Masterbolt is the 30-inch digital electric smoker, which is similar in terms of features. It has 4 racks with a shorter clearance between each, and it offers the same Bluetooth functionality. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.